Good afternoon, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the stage and my dear media friends. I welcome all of you today. For us at My Home Group, 2021 has been a noteworthy year as in the stimulus journey. Currently this year we are growing 35 years, as we've already seen, and the stimulus journey we are very glad that we played a substantial role in the flying growth of the Hyderabad real estate sector for the last 3.5 decades. As we accelerate from here, we want to reinforce our robust leadership in this real estate sector and also set new benchmarks in the industry. On this note, I would like to take 1 minute to reflect on our past accomplishments and the future plans. Only with a strong vision and deep philosophy, we at My Home have continuously witnessed progressive learning curve in terms of construction technologies, let it be brick and mortar technology to the latest precast technologies, or vehicular-free movements from 4 acres to 4 acres developments, platinum-rated green building projects, and also the central cooling spaces for the residential apartments, and many more. Our residential projects echo the latest global lifestyle developments and amenities, be it introducing the first premium apartments with swimming pool and terrace garden in 1998 with My Home Fernhill, or also introducing clubhouse facilities with jogging tracks with My Home Navadipa in 2005, and the first gated community with prepaid meters for electricity, water, gas, and fiber to home connection for 2,000 plus homes in My Home Jewel in 2010. We have always been a trendsetter. We are happy to say that we have built 10,000 plus happy homes. Here I would like to mention what our beloved chairman always used to say to our design team, that you should always make the housewife happy. She should always bless you but not curse you. So we take extreme care in the vastu or the quality of the construction or the planning of the projects. True to our name, we are also home to some of the largest multinational companies like Facebook, Qualcomm, Micron, Infor in our commercial projects. There's a lot of excitement in our commercial segment where we have recently delivered the Skyview project in a record time of 2 years. We've also completed the Twiza project, and we have big plans for the commercial segment to cater to the ever-growing need of the Hyderabad IT hub. Our next project is a first-of-a-kind commercial project, is a first-of-a-kind project in Kokapet with a built-up area of 25 million SFT. I think recently you have seen the newspapers also. We plan to construct this in a span of 8 to 10 years with an investment of close to $2 billion. In this commercial project, we are trying to bring in the latest technologies like the precast technologies, BIM models with 6D modeling, and central district cooling systems. It's the first in the country. So we are exploring all the latest technologies for this commercial project. Apart from the 2 P's, which is planet and profit, we also take good care of our people here. A testimonial to that is that during the pandemic, we have taken such good care of all our workers across all our sites, and as a result, when the entire industry was struggling to get back, we could quickly come back to normalcy and deliver all our projects without even a single day delay and within the timelines. I think this was possible for all the staff support and the partners who have supported us in the difficult times. I would also like to express my gratitude to all the My Home family members, and also a big thank you to all the employees, partners, our vendors, and especially our customers who's been strongly behind us for the last 35 years and making My Home what it is today. As a second generation, we all are committed to take this group to the next heights with the similar principles, what has been guided by our chairman from the last 35 years. I wish all of you a happy Ugadi and a happy weekend. Thank you for all of you for coming today.